Hi, hello friends. Welcome to KSP Academy. The last class we discussed the starting class. I was discussed mean mode variant, and after that I was entered into that the formulas which are related to mean calculation, a direct method. Then after that shortcut method or else assumed mean method. Then after that step deviation method. Three methods I was discussed. For what you go for direct method, the formulas already over. Direct method, I was already told you the formula which related to questions. And after that, second case, second method, now we shall to discuss today. The second method is what? Assumed mean method. What is second method? Assumed mean method. What is assumed mean method? This method also called a shortcut method. Shortcut method. So what is the formula I told you for this question? I think you have. Anyone tell me the answer? So x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This is the formula for assumed mean method. So how to calculate by using this formula for a given question? So let us I'll explain. A means what? Assumed mean. Sigma fi means summation of the frequency. D means deviation. Deviation di is equal to xi minus a. This is the case you know. So this formula I need to apply. So I should solve the problem. Let us will go for a direct question. This is the question they mentioned. Calculate the mean for a given data by using this shortcut method or assumption mean method. First of all, you has to know the formula. Simple, I write simple formula. A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This is the formula for cover case. So one by one he has to write. So first of all, you need to find out, this is what daily expenses, this is the class thing, a number of hours. So actually let us example, daily expenses, 100 rupees to 150 rupees, 150 to 200 rupees is the daily expenses. Number of houses. So there are regular expenses, 100 to 150 rupees expenses are going on regular. 4 houses, that is the case is going on there in our village. 5 houses, 150 to 200 rupees are expensing regular case. 12 houses in your village, the daily expenses 200 to 250 in between the range is there. 2 houses like this is a question they mentioned. We need to calculate the average expenses you need to calculate actually. So let us will go for the calculation. What is the formula? Sigma f a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. We has to go. So let us we has to go here sigma fi. First you need to calculate sigma fi. I think the calculation of sigma fi is very simple because fi you know. So summation of you has to do it is. What is the sigma fi you got? This is a fi. This is the fi thing. This is the class height. 4 plus 5. It is a 9. 9 plus 12, it's a 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 2, 25. So sigma fi value is how much? 23. So let us, I'll open the next page. Formula I'll write it down. A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi is equal to x bar, the method. So this value, you know, how much value you know? This is equal to 20. Am I clear? 20 or 30? 25. So how much it is? 20, right? 25. Sorry, correct. How much answer is 25? It is not 20, it's 25 watt. So sigma fi. Next value, sigma fi di value has to know. Actually, you don't know the di. You know fi, but you don't know the di. You has to know a value. Let us, I'll go to the question. Next, here first you has to write down the class mark. Actually, di means what? Di రాయాలంటే కావాలి xi minus a రావాలి. So first of all, you has to write xi value. So let's go for xi value. So xi means you has to create a class mark of xi, a separate tabular column for this. You need to start working xi. So tabular column for xi. So how to calculate a class mark? I told you class mark how to calculate lower limit plus upper by 2. How can you calculate? You have to go and you can calculate here. So how to calculate that? So we have the value of 100, 100 plus 150 at 250, right? At 250 by 2, how much you get? 125. Clear, right? 100 plus 150, 250, 250 by 2, how much? 125. Next, how much value have you have? 350. 200 plus 150, 350. 350 by 2 you have to put. So how much answer is? 175 you have to get it out. Next, 250 plus this 200. How much is there? 450. Am I clear? It's 450. So 450 by 2 he has to get 225 answer is. Next, how much is 300 plus 250? How much is the answer? 550. 550 by 2. Answer is 275. Next, how much it is? 350 plus 300. How much it is? The answer is 650. 650 by 2. 325. So you are going to get xi value, you got it. I think it's very clear. So this is the class mark for a given thing here. Over. Next, what you have to find out? Di you need to find out. Di. So I should write a di. Di is equal to deviation. What is the formula? Xi minus a. I think you know xi values, but you don't know the a. A is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Actually, out of this set of values of this set, we have to take one value is assumption of mean. So which value I should take? Actually, 125 is a lower value. What is the maximum value? 325. 325. Sorry to say 325. 125 plus 325, 450 by 2. So 225 you are going to get assumption. So assumption means how much you take? You can take roughly 125 plus the lower value 325 by 2. If you do assumption higher to lower value, so let us take you get 225 you get. So this 225 you can take approximate value of the given series. So you can fix this is a value. Assumption of mean is a 225 value. Am I clear? Assumption is 225. So a you fix. So next you should do with deviation. So how much value? Xi minus a. So 225 minus 125. Please do it is 225 minus 125. How much the answer is? Minus 100. Clear? Next 225 minus 175. Answer is 50. Next 225 minus 225. Answer is 0. Next 225 minus 225 plus 50. Next 225 minus 325. Answer is 100, right? 100. So this is the value of di. I think you're very clear. Please once again I'm telling xi means this you can take and find out class mark as I think you know previous. The d is a new thing. Next here a is a new term. How to validate a value? Out of this, which value should assumption mean? So take a lower value and higher value. Take mid value. 225 you get approximate. Sometimes 224, 223 you get. You can take approximate value. You fix a value. And after di means xi minus a. So you got xi minus a. You can read off all values. You got it. Next, what is the case you need to do it? Di you got. Now how to do fi into di. So next you should make it out other extension of block. That block is called as fi into di block. Fi into di. Please start multiply fi into di. What is a fi? This is fi. What is a di? This is the case fi into di. Let us I'll change the marker color. Fi into di to get this easily understood. Fi di. 100 minus into minus 400. Next 50 minus 250. 50 into 5. Okay na? Minus 250. 0 into 12. Answer is 0. Next 50 into 2. 100. Next 100 into 2. 200. This is what fi into di. But what you want? Sigma fi do you want? So please add up all these things. How much you're going to get? 100 plus this. Let us I'll go for this to understand very clearly. How much you got? This is 300. How much you got? This 650. Minus 650 plus 300. How much you going to get? Minus 350 answer. Answer is minus 350. Sigma fi is FIDI is minus 350. So you got DI, then after sigma. So our work is over. A already you know how much it is there? 225. Sigma FIDI you know, sigma FI you know. So please start applying here. The next question. A means what? 225 you did from the question. Sigma FI DI how much you got? Minus 350. By sigma FI how much you got? 25 here you got. Sigma FI is 25 you got. So 25. Please do the calculation. 225 minus 350 by 25, right? So 350 by 25. The answer is 14. So 225 minus 14. 25 1 ja 25 14 ja 350. Am I clear? Right? So 225 minus 14. We are going to get 211. Simple. So this is what mean by using assumption mean method or a deviation or just assumption mean method shortcut method. This is the way it has to do to get out. This is the average the expenses of a given homes. This is the way you have to get it. I think it's very clear how to do is the problem. Your concept is what? A foundation, then D foundation. If your method is clear, next concept is very easy to understand. It is. Am I clear? Right? Can you move forward? Next, the third case you can go. The third method, step deviation method. It's very simple. Step deviation method. What is the step deviation method formula? X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H. This is a question I can do very simple because already you know work. I can take an example. I'll explain. What is the H is a class height. Fi you know how to do it. A is assumption of mean. How I was did assumption. He has to do the next case also. I think you know ui nothing but what? Ui is equal to di by h nana. Di nothing but what? Xi minus a by h. This is just formula. For this formula, he has to working it out. So for it, let us I'll take an example. This is an example I should take for your convenient. So this is the daily expenses I know. The number of workers. Let us you can take the Fi. Let us it's a frequency Fi. So let us sigma Fi you can take. So sigma Fi you can take means you can add up all 12 plus 14, 14 plus 8, 8 plus 6, 6 plus 10. The total is 50. Total is 50. Sigma Fi is total is 50. So sigma Fi answer is over. Sigma after Fi means what? What he has to do? This work is already over. Next Fi you know, but Ui wants you what? Ui you want what? Di you require. Di you require means what? Xi minus a. So you require Xi first of all. You have to go for calculation of Xi. Next question is Xi calculation. Next it is class mark of Xi. So class mark means 500 plus 520. How much you are going to get? 510 you are getting. 510, 530, 550, 570, 590 you got class mark. 500 plus 520 by 2, it's a 520. Class mark you got. After this class mark, what is the value? How to got DI calculation is required. DI nothing but what? Xi minus A. And after DI, how to get UI? UI nothing but what? DI by HU required. After that, Fi into UI. This is the case you require to do. This is the class. You have to go one by one. Let us before entering this, what is the A you required? Xi means these are all. What is A? Assumption of mean. Assumption of means you can take a 510 and 590 take you can do. You're going to get approximately the answer is 550. So you can take assumption A value is fixed. So you can take here A is 550 you can fix. Next here required H. Class height also required. Class height means what? 500 to 520. The answer is 20. The class height is 20. H also you know. Let us start this working over here. Di Xi minus A. Xi means what? This minus A. So 510 to 550. Answer is minus 40. Next 530 to 550. Answer is how much? Minus 20. Next 550 minus 550 0. Next 550 what can I say? 550 minus this one. So how much you are going to get? 570 minus 550. Answer is 20. 590 minus answer is 40. This is the case you got. Plus here minus. Because 510 minus that only you are going to get. Here more value minus plus value or get plus value. This is the DI calculation over. Next what you have to do UI means DI by H. H how much you got? 20. Minus 40 by plus 20. Answer is 2. Answer is minus 1. Answer is 0. 20 by 20. Answer is 1. This is what 2. This is U. Next what you have to do? Sigma Fi UI. UI already you know. So sigma Fi and UI. Fi is means what? This one. UI is means this one. So you please start working. How much it is there? Minus 24, minus 14 because minus 14 because it is a 0. Next 1 into 6, 6. 10 to the 20. I think so. Answer is 20. So Fi UI know. What do you want? Sigma Fi UI required because the formula is sigma Fi UI. H already you know. From this what you have to do? A already you fix. A how much you fix? 550 you fix. H already you fix. H how much it is there? 20 fix. Sigma Fi you fix. Sigma Fi how much you got? 50 you got. So sigma Fi you has to required for right now. So sigma Fi means you has to add all these things. When you add all the things, minus 12 you are going to get. Because minus 24, minus 14, minus 34, minus 34 plus 20. Minus how much it is there? 38. Minus 24, minus 4, minus 38. minus 38, 20 plus 6, 26. So plus 26, 30 years. Answer is 12, minus 12. So sigma FIUI is minus 12 you are going to get. So please apply in the year question. Okay, now let us, this is how much is minus 12. So freshly I'll do all these things. So A plus sigma FIUI by sigma Fi into H. This is the formula for your step deviation method. So answer is how much you are going to get A value. So 550 plus minus 12 this value is how much it is. This is what a 50, class height is 20. So how much you get 550 minus 240 by 50. 0 0 going to cut. So 550 minus this is got 4.8 you get. 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 20, 5 8 ja 4.8 you get. This is subtracted is you are going to get 545.20. This is what a average mean you are going to get by using a step deviation method. I think you might have very clear about that this case, the step deviation method. So very simple. The first I studied assumption mean method. This is di. After extension of di, when you go for ui is di by h. Here FIDI, there UIDI. Just simple explanation here. Here H is there. Before case, multiply of H is not available. This is the case, it is not available. The slight difference you need to understand. This is a question I should take a step deviation method. I did off this after the before I took it. This is a case I should take just assumption based shortcut method. I did off all I got answer. I hope you must be very clear about that. To find out mean, first thing is direct method. The previous class. Now in this class I was explained how to do it is for assumption of mean method, step deviation method. Then after that shortcut. This is the two methods I did. For this methods he has to apply for a higher value of numerical value you are going to get. I hope you must be clear. Thanks for watching. If anything you have a doubt, please make in the comment box. I will be clear your doubt. Thanks for watching. Please continue for next videos. Next class we will discuss mode and mean concepts, median concepts. Those two concepts I will discuss in the individual videos. Please watch to get more understanding. Thanks for watching. Please continue. Thank you.